How to buy crypto strategic reserve token. This token came under the symbol of CSR. So this is not the same token. This token is under the Solana network. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in a project that's found on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the Direct account and keep following the updates about this token, and make sure to check out the Telegram channel too. As you can see, this token is available in MEXC. It created 9 hours ago and increased by 800% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity unlocked by 99%. That's medium investment in the same place. And this token transaction number 15 in this transaction. To be able to buy this token, it is simple. Click here to copy the token address and open your fund to mine. For that, as you can see, click here on swap. Make sure that you have left Solana in white, of course. Now click here to copy to paste the token address. As you can see, this is how to click on it, and here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive, as you can see. After that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter. Make sure to read all that information here. Click on swap, and you will be able to redact the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now, as you can see, this is how to buy CSR token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.